Good morning, everyone. Today, let us see a quick overview of how data is handled in systems like airline booking platform, focusing on key data requirements, storage options, and multi-region deployments. First, let's talk about data requirements. We need to store passenger records safely with encryption and privacy laws like GDPR. Seat availability must be shown in real time so customers always see up-to-date info. Bookings happen live, so the system must handle many users at once without conflicts. Logs are kept to track system activity and error for better performance. Next, for storage, we use SAN storage area network for fast access to critical data like bookings. NAS network attached storage is used for storing backup and logs. It's cheaper and great for large amount of data. An hybrid approach is often used combining both SAN and NAS to balance cost and performance. In cloud service like AWS EBS and EFS offers these features with high flexibility. Lastly, in multi-region deployment, we use active-active clusters, which means database in different regions work together to avoid downtime. Data synchronization keep all copies of database updated in real time. Latency operation ensures users connect to the closest server, making the system faster. But we must also consider the cost trade-off of moving the data between regions. In summary, building a system like this requires a smart mix of data handling, flexible storage, and a global deployment to keep it fast, reliable, and scalable.
Backup and recovery. Backup means saving copies of your data to restore later if something goes wrong. RPO decides how much data you can afford to lose, for example, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. RTO means how fast you need to recover data, for example, 1 hour. Automatic backups set daily backups for important data like logs and databases. Disaster recovery store backups in different locations and test them regularly. Point in time recovery restore data to an exact moment using logs. Business continuity it is a plan to keep your business running during problems. Failover testing checks if system switches automatically during outages. Geographic redundancy use different regions and providers to avoid full outages. Incident response clearly defines who does what during an emergency. Information lifecycle. It means managing data based on how old or useful it is. Hot tier keeps recent data like past 30 days of data in fast storage. Cold tier move older data like 1 or 2 plus years to cheaper storage. Data purging deletes old data automatically, for example, past 7 to 10 years of data. Security and compliance. It means protecting data and following rules. Encryption locks your data with security codes. Access control give access only to the right people with passwords and extra checks. Follow rules, meet industry and country specific regulations like GDPR. Summary and conclusion. Use SAN or NAS. Choose the right type of storage for your system. Test your plan. Do a full test of your backup and recovery plan. Watch your costs. Adjust storage and backups based on how much you use. Thank you.